Tesla semi-fleet from Frito-Lay gets more charging at Bakersfield factory. Among the several companies that have had the opportunity to add Tesla semi-all-electric Class 8 trucks to their fleets earlier than others, the most notable is arguably Frito-Lay, which has utilized the vehicle for a couple of years now. However, as their fleet is making more local runs, and there are undoubtedly plans to expand to more semi-units, the company has recognized it needs additional megachargers to give juice to their trucks. As a result, Frito-Lay decided to build more chargers at their Bakersfield, California facility, according to new permits filed by Tesla. Frito-Lay is building an 8-stall megacharger array at its factory in Bakersfield, California. There are already chargers at the company's Modesto, California factory, but Bakersfield is roughly 3 hours south of Modesto. Interestingly, Tesla is calling the chargers semi-chargers in the filing, potentially hinting that it is no longer referring to them as megachargers, as they have been in the past. This is a relatively minor detail, but it is worth taking note of. In 2022, Frito-Lay began installing these chargers in preparation for the Semi to become one of the company's main logistics tools for deliveries in California and surrounding states. Frito-Lay is not the only company that has chosen to utilize the Tesla Semi for these early pilot runs. PepsiCo has also been a company that has used the Semi very publicly over the past 2 years. Additionally, the Tesla Semi participated in the Run on Less EV trucking study back in late 2023, where it managed to complete a 1,000-mile run in a single day. Tesla Semi logs 1,000-mile day in Run on Less EV trucking study. Tesla is planning to ramp production of the Semi late this year. On the Q4 2024 earnings call, VP of Vehicle Engineering Lars Moravi said the company would be focusing on the first builds of the Semi's high-volume design late this year, before ramping production in the early portion of 2026. We just closed out the Semi factory roof and walls last week in Reno, a schedule which is great with the weather. In Reno, you never know what's going to happen, but we're prepping for mechanical installation of all the equipment in the coming months. The first builds of the high-volume Semi design will come late this year in 2025, and begin ramping early in 2026. Tesla will build these units at a new semi-production facility located in Reno near its Gigafactory. The company is getting closer to finishing construction, as a drone video from this morning showed the facility is coming along at a good pace. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslarati.